we've got the bikes all rigged up for a bit of an adventure. Regardez. That's my rig. I just got 2 panniers, the Altura panniers on there, and then sleeping bag in an Alp kit, dry bag on the back, and that's it. We just chucked the bikes in the truck, drove as far as we could, and then we've cycled a good few miles into the woods. Here's Joey D, he's on his road bike. Rick Grimes, look at him. The Yeti. Please fall, please. Joey D's got himself a new girlfriend, look. What has it got there? What did you say?
It's got the hardened pommel on the end, so you can use it as a hammer.
Sweet as a nut, man. Look how straight she is. Look at that, glistening. That's fat wood to the max. Look how dark she is with it. So we're just collecting a few of these nuggets that you get. If you get close to the tree, you can get these nuggets out. As long as you just sort of plug the nuggets back up so the tree ain't going to get damaged. We're going to take a load of these and we're going to make some little burners just to keep the midges off us later on. I'll let you have a goose. Get me out at road. We just use one tarp just as a lean-to. I've got a stick at the back propping it up just to give us a bit of headspace, and then Joey D's just going out in the open. I'm just going to get into my hammock, but on the floor, because once bitten, twice shy as far as bugs go. I've just propped this stone up with a couple of sticks, and I'll just put some clothing over that. That's my backrest. I've got a little table. Joe's got his little backrest. I can smell it. Delightful. We're just going to put it on the burner, on the mess burner for now, just to get it started. And what's this bargain you've got?
A little cast iron trivet thing.
How much?
50 pence.
He loves a bargain.
I love a bargain, me.
There you go.
Perfect. And it just so happens it fits with the zebra billy rather delightfully.
Northern Monk Neapolitan Ice Cream Pale Ale, 6.2%. Just got released the other day, so got a new batch of it. Let's give this a whirl. There he's looking background. Normally we'd share one, but here we go. Ice cream! It's summer. Right, hold on. And it's our first. Oh, it's first of all. Cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Another good camp. Oh, see, you get that little sweetness. I tell you what. On the drive-by.
It's not as ice cream soda as I thought it would be.
Oh, did you?
I thought it'd be that instant ice cream soda smell.
That's nice. That's creamy. And again, for 6.2%, how they hide that is phenomenal. My taste buds are back. So because it's a Neapolitan, for anyone who doesn't know what a Neapolitan is.
Can't get it. Can you even get it anymore?
Yeah, it's old school shit from the 80s. They should do a Viennetta one. Hey. It's you get an ice cream and it's strawberry, vanilla and chocolate ice cream, innit?
Yeah.
And so
that's hard to convey that in a beer.
very, very difficult.
I mean, that's 3 extraordinarily different flavours, really.
Yeah.
In beer terms.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm getting more of that strawberry.
It's ambitious as fuck. Oh, don't matter. 2017. We can swear. We're just honest with ourselves.
I'm getting more strawberry.
I'm getting strawberry on the nose. What do you think if I got a Northern Monk tattoo on my leg? Just that symbol.
I think. Well, I don't think much of you now, so.
Would you think less of me?
Yeah. But, I mean, we're talking like we're already like
because of the Via Ferrata.
Yeah. So I mean, getting any
right.
lowers.
Well, I've got nothing to lose. Northern Monk, reach out. I'm going to get that tattooed on me.
British Sea Power did it. I think it's British Sea Power. Somebody might correct me, as they did with the Via Ferrata. Good call. You were right, by the way.
On the World War thing? What?
Yeah. Because I went and checked. Thought, I'd better check.
Better check. We're all learning here together. It's just a big melting pot
You know,
of
and I was
learning.
close.
We
It was
sometimes
a world
wrong.
war, you know what I mean? It was
All right,
50%
don't
chance,
lose your only fan. Come on.
So yes, I think I think it's British Sea Power said if you get a tattoo of the logo of the band, you get into their gigs for free for life.
Really? I'll get one then. I don't even like them. Oh, so Northern Monk. So if I get that tattooed on me, can I have a beer mat, please?
Shout out for the neck. Right,
No, not the neck.
Shout
It's
out
either
to the neck.
it's either the dick or.
That's coarse.
Oh, sorry.
That's cool.
It's not the dick. By dick I meant ankle. Down there on ankle, just somewhere at the bottom of the leg where no one's going to see it.
I'll be honest, it's growing on me. It's growing on me. But it's certainly not my favourite of what they've done.
It's not an instant classic, but
No.
but for me, I love it because it's different. It gets you thinking, gets you talking, and there's a lot of brewers that'll just chuck mad flavours together and they won't work whatsoever. At least with Northern Monk, there is some sort of synergy between the flavours and it works.
Oh, they're
Every time.
100% ambitious, and I like that.
He likes it, ambitious, Northern Monk, and it works. Like big things for him. What you need is a spearhead to campaign and take you into the next
Into the outdoors.
into the outdoors.
You're telling me a beer looks any better than in the outdoors? It doesn't, does it?
No, because let's be honest, all the ingredients come from the outdoors.
Yes.
Get me on one of them peel cans. You know one of them peel ones where you have all the heroes, like the tattoo artists, the fell runners. Get me on there as a inspirational speaker. Yeah? Come on! I'll get you G'd up. What else can I do? Not much, that'll be it. Inspirational speaker about conquering your fears.
I'm not going to say anything.
Don't even bother.
I'm not going to say anything.
We'll leave that anyway, because by the end of 2017 I'm going to climb that Via Ferrata. And then if I do bottle it, definitely shutting down the channel. Definitely, that's it. Closing everything down and just go and do something else. So, there you go. Did you even like Neapolitan ice cream as a kid?
Not really.
No, I didn't.
No, not really. We never really had it that often.
Too common for you,
It was,
wasn't
it
it?
was something you had when you went round to your nan's, wasn't it?
Oh, my house. I don't know, he didn't have it. I used to get it and just eat the vanilla bit, to be fair. Cause
The most boring bit. Oh my.
as I say,
word.
motivational speaker, available for gigs.
I only like the vanilla
If you stick
one.
to vanilla, you're not going to get damaged or hurt. Don't take any risks, and you won't get hurt. Stay in your lane. I'm going to throw this out there, right? Because on the topic of mental... Yeah? What? Just natural, that's all.
I didn't even see it.
Hey? On the topic of mental beers and pushing the boundaries of flavour, I'm going to throw something out there and you can put it down below, because that's not just like to get you all G'd up, but I'm genuinely interested to know what combinations you'd put together to make an interesting beverage, beer.
Like red squirrel and sphagnum moss.
There you go. That's one. Don't go down that road and just chuck a load of random shit in there. Actual good stuff. I'd be interested to know. To tell you what, just off the top of my head, burnt marshmallow and smoke.
That's a nice one.
That's a good one because it's like
Smoky
toasting
marshmallow,
marshmallows,
I like
smoky
it.
marshmallows. Northern Monk,
I like it actually.
Northern Monk, smoky marshmallows, a bonfire night special ale. Anyway,
Yeah, nice actually.
actually, when you
Actually,
get down here, it's very good.
Yeah, that's why they make them 6.2. Because even when you doubt when you start, by the time you finish it, you're convinced it's great.
Convinced it's good. Everything's brilliant. Everything's bloody brilliant, and I won't have a word said about it. Good.
Everyone loves Carlin by the time they're at the bottom of the pint.
Yeah. No.
It's a strange one to attempt, isn't it, I suppose?
Yeah. You got to give them. Right. I'm saying 8.9.
Oh, jeez.
High? Too high?
High, that's high.
All right. 8.5.
8.2.
8.2, Wummy. Northern Monk, Neapolitan Pale Ice Cream Ale, 8.3 out of 10. Oh, fucking hell! He's hammered! He's hammered! Give it 10 out of 10! Yeah. Silence of the Lambs. Right, this is an interesting one. 4 degrees of separation. It's 7% IPA. And it's Abbeydale Brewery. And these 3 breweries, Siren Craft, Northern Monk and Magic Rock. And these 3 people here who set these up used to work here. And they all came off there, and then so they've all got back together and used the huge hop stores available at Abbeydale and created this little monstrosity. The digs. Right, top tip. If you don't have any trees to go to, if you're in your hammock, and if like me you don't like sleeping on your bivvy without any bug protection on your face, all you do, stick a stick in the back and then put your shock cord to it, and it just elevates it so your face can be under there but it's not touching your face, so your head is away from the mesh. Anarchy Brew Breakfast Stout. Going in on this Pilsner, it's a lager. It's a craft lager. Some nice curly ones. But you need some thick ones as well, otherwise it won't stay. Look at that, man. Oh, that smells like just amazing. It's so chemically. Oh. Fatwood fire sticks. Alright. Fatwood fire flower. Ah, oh, just as good smelling as any flower. Get some of this little gear in here. And there we go. That's just wood. And a bit of fatwood feather stick. Then you've got your varying degrees of sticks on top. You're good to go. The Beavertown Bloody Hell Blood Orange IPA is the best of the evening. What do you give it?
I think it's a 9.
9, not 9 point.
Type. It's a 9.
Point.
2.
9.2. Wow, that is devastatingly high. Yeah, 9.2 Beavertown Bloody Hell. quality gear, get on it. Pig and Porter by Brewing Co. It's the Gothic Imperial Stout 7.4. I've just logged in to say absolutely delicious. Halloumi, mushroom and pepper and onion kebabs. With homemade rotis. Let's go. There you go, for all you hippies. That's just one of them fatwood plugs from out the tree. That was burned like a candle for quite some time. It's
releasing its delicious pine vapour.
Delicious pine resin stench, and it also gets rid of the midges, so it's a win-win situation. Slow cooked belly pork, all the vegetables, sumac, fennel, sweet potato,
Chili, garlic, onion.
Cheers, give us a salute. Ah, slosh. Nothing like a good slosh. The owls are out. Simon Owl. Jody's done some crumble, which is going to get toasted up. And in there we've got rhubarb. Is it from your allotment?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's from Joey D's allotment. So it's all organic. Or do you use shitloads of pesticides up there?
Yeah.
Shore to shore, we smoke our weed, yes. Score by score, we scatter the seed. Praise the Lord. We are blessed because we breathe. There's no war, just love, just peaceful, yeah.
The black soup. And then we just scatter it, cover back over the ground where it was, and we're like ghosts. Boom, gone. Tidy time. And that's it. Just the bike. The Bushcraft bike. Let's have a look over here. That's where we had our seats. That's where we had our fire. Not even Miss Marple could tell anyone's been here. No point in filming much more from here. We're just gonna get on our steeds and cycle back to the van. Woohoo! Anyway, thanks Ta-ta for now!